Hello guys, welcome to my channel Random Sync 7, where I make videos about motorcycles, gear reviews and travel generally around the northeast. There's a truck going. Hang on. Yeah, so I live next to the road. Yes. So just got this bike a few days back, but then I haven't been able to ride. I've been wanting to finish the running in period, but then the country is under lockdown. We should be under lockdown. It should be our responsibility to stay inside and not head out and spread this COVID-19 and save people. Essentially, we'll be doing that anyway. So this has given me a chance and opportunity to go through the entire motorbike in detail. So today I think we'll be looking at the toolkit that we get with the bike. Let's see what all tools they have given us, and yeah, let's hope it's enough for everything that is needed to dismantle the bike, maybe if needed. Yeah, so yeah, let's look around. I think I'll be switching to a POV, maybe head mount the camera and see. Yeah, I think that'll be easier because then that'll free up both my hands. Right now it's a little difficult, so yeah, let's switch to that view. Or maybe hang on, wait, I'll show you first how to open the toolkit. So that is where you put in the key to open the rear seat, and that is where the toolbox or toolkit is. Let's do that. Let's figure out. I haven't done this. You lock it clockwise, and that releases the seat here. Let's see. And here we have the toolkit. They've also given a first aid kit. This is branded by Bajaj. So it's not a KTM branded toolkit. Sorry, a med kit. Yeah, and this is the toolkit that we're getting with the bike. It's held in place by a strap here, which you just need to pull it a little bit to open it, and it's out. It's a nice pouch here. It's written Adventure here, so it's custom branded. That's nice. KTM written here. A nice big KTM written here. What else? It feels like it's made of some very sturdy material. There's some Velcro here. The stitching is in orange. It's cool. That's really good. And yeah, apart from the toolkit, that's pretty much it. What's in here? Hang on. I think this is where you connect the OBD to update the software of the bike. I don't know why this is here, because this does not fit in here in any direction, no matter how hard I try. Oh wow, somebody's playing really loud music. Welcome to Shillong. Anyway, I don't know where I'm supposed to put this in. Is it supposed to be here? Maybe here for the time being. Anyway, I can open that anyway. Put the medical kit back in here, first aid kit, and let's cover this up. Let's see what all is there in there. There we go, it's locked. And now let's see what all is there in the toolkit. Hang on, I think I'll have to switch views. Give me some time. Let me switch on to the head mount. It'll be easier for me. I can't do this with just one hand available to me. Hang on. Hey guys, so this is the toolkit that we get. It's a pretty decent pouch that we get with the toolkit. It's pretty heavy duty and it's very well branded. I mean, I like the fact that it's Adventure written here. That's super cool. Anyway, let's look at the toolkit. It's pretty heavy. There seems to be a decent amount of tools. Let's quickly open it and check. The first thing that comes out is a 22mm wrench. It's showing here 22, so that's one. A double-sided screwdriver. There's a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver here. We get a 8mm and a 10mm spanner. Oh wow, we actually get this difference is the tool to adjust the preload of the rear suspension. This is so cool. We don't normally get this with any other motorcycle, but KTM seems to be giving this. This is awesome. This is an Allen key. This is a 10 mm Allen key. Remember, we needed an 8 mm Allen key for the for opening the side guard. That's there. I don't know if you can see it. This is a 13 and a 14 mm spanner. This is the spark plug tool. Using this, we can open up the spark plug. Another Allen key. This is a 6 mm Allen key. Hang on, I don't know if everything is visible. It is visible. This is a tool that you can use to extend the, any other tool that you want to. For example, this, you can just put it here and extend it and use it. You can do the same with this, or this as well. There you go. So if you need more leverage for a tool, you can use this to extend. I don't know if there's any other purpose for this, but if there is, please let me know. Leave it in the comments. There's the handle for the screwdriver. And there's two more Allen. Yeah, there's a 5 mm Allen key. And last but not the least, there's a 4 mm Allen key. If I'm not mistaken, these smaller ones would be needed to adjust, say, the windscreen of the bike. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. This spanners, they have a branding called Venus. I don't know if you can see that. Both the spanners are branded Venus. And apart from that, I don't think there are any other branding. No, this branded CRV. This is CRV as well. This is CRV as well. And there's no branding here. I don't think you can brand this. This is really, really tiny. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. See? I don't know if it's visible, but there's a rubber grommet inside the spark plug tool. Yeah, I mean the spark plug extension tool, and when you put this in, the spark plug gets stuck there, and you can just easily pull it out, and it won't fall down in the chamber again. Anyway, so yeah, that's about a pretty decent set of toolkit that you get with the KTM 390 Adventure. This is really, really good. I mean, the fact that they give you a tool to actually adjust the preload of the rear suspension, this is awesome. Normally, I didn't get this with my 2013 Duke, so this is really, really good. I don't have to go to the showroom or to the service center to adjust this. I can do it on my own. Pretty good. Okay then, guys, that's about it. Yeah, I mean, if you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel. It really helps me. I mean, it helps me just enough that I get more inspiration to make more such videos. Or I mean, your support matters, man. Come on, you know that. Chala. See you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. So, putting the toolkit back in is a little bit more challenging than taking it out. Hang on, let's try. There you go. So they have this notch given here that you can hold and pull out the toolkit by pulling out this rubber. So I noticed that the first bike that came to Shillong, it's a friend of mine, it didn't come with this particular rubber. They had to find something else that would work for this length. But at least I'm lucky that this came with the bike. I think a lot of people didn't get this. So I mean, you should ideally get it from the service center. Please go ahead and ask your service center. They should be able to give you this. I mean, it's something that should come by default, and yeah, it should be there. So if you don't have it, please go and ask your service center. Bye bye.